VS Code. First of all, I want to create a one file, index.html, and I want to create a two more file like a style.css and also javascript. This is a name giving a script. Now I want to add the boilerplate of HTML. For that, here press the shift and exclamatory mark enter. Now this boilerplate is generated. Now here I want to change the title, give the search box. Now this is a body. Here I create one div tag. I create a div and giving the search container enter. Inside that, first of all, I want to add the icon and input box. For the icon purpose, I use the font awesome. Here font awesome, and here you click on the start after the entering the email ID, and this font awesome sent to the some script add to the your HTML file. But I want to, this is for the education purpose, I use the CDN content delivery network, this one, and copy the link tag, come in the here HTML file, and here comment this. I add the font awesome, and here just paste and press the shift alt F for the formatting purpose. Now I want to add the search icon. First of all, here I create a class and giving the search icon enter. Inside that, I want to add the icon. For here, click search, this search icon, here give the search. Now here some magnify, click here free, I want to free one, and now this magnifying glass, copy this, close this tab, and here I give the paste this, and this HTML file, click anywhere, right click, open with live server. I use the live server extension. Here you can go on the here type just live server, and here you can install this. Now I want to, here this icon is coming. Now I want to also add the input box, input type equal to text, and here I give the placeholder type here and dot dot dot. Yeah, now here this types of a giving here, and I want to also delete this. For that, I created another icon for the deleting purpose. This is a cross mark. I give the X mark, and here already free I give. Here just copy this class name, and here I create another div tag, give this close or clear search enter, and inside that I want to paste this icon. Now let's see what's the output. See, this types of output coming. Now I want to design this first, and now I want to include our CSS file in this HTML file. First of all, here I comment the CSS file. Here first of all link, after the rel style sheet and h reference path of the style sheet CSS file instance here. Now this CSS file is added. Now come here, give the by default this by default I give the all the element of the HTML box sizing, border box, and giving the body width is 100%, height also 100%, but 100% is not taken, that's why I give the minimum height is 100 VH, and by default margin is 0, by default padding is 0, and all the content in this display center. For that, giving the display flags, justify content center, alignment item center, and giving the background color, I give the little bit some other color. Let's see, check any of this. I give okay this one. Now this one is display. Now I want to make this here, and just copy this search container, come again here and give the background color is red, white. Now see, and here give the width is approximately 400 pixel. Yeah, now this is okay, or you can increase the size according to your requirement. And after that, give the flags. Now see, this is container, and inside that I have a this input. Just give this class name. I give the input search. Just copy this, come in your style sheet file, and give this width is 100%. Now let's see, this width is automatically cover. And now I want to give here, it's I was giving already width. I want to also give the height of this. I give the approximately 40 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, this will be looking good. Little bit more I give. Okay, now that much is okay. And here I give the font size is approximately 18 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, or you want to give the more, then also okay. And now I want to hold the content in the center. For that, alignment item center. Now see, this content look is center, and I want to little bit padding both side between the container. For that, I give the 10 pixel. And now this is good, and I want to make this container for the border curve type. For the border radius approximately 5 pixel. Now see, this is border. If you want to little bit less, yeah, now this is okay. And now I want to this input tag here. This is the input. I first of all give the padding is approximately 5 pixel, and removing the border none, and also outline. And now see, this will be display as like this. Now I want to give the font size. I give the font size is approximately 16 pixel. Let's check. Yeah, see, now it's look good. And give the font weight is semi bold. Semi bold is available or not, let me check. Not available. I give the approximately 55. Not look good. 500. Yeah, now it's as like this same, and now it's look good one. If you want, I want to increase little bit more font, 18 pixel. Not this good. Yeah, this one okay, but I want to decrease the font size of this placeholder type here. For that, here I give the input search. After that, placeholder, and this placeholder, why double is coming, giving the place holder, and inside that I give the font size is approximately 16 pixel. Now see, yeah, now look, this one will be display. look better. Now here I want to make a search one when we recent search type. For that here I was giving already this background color, this alignment item center, and just remove this height also if you want. Now see here I want to display here this top section, just delete this one, and here also. Now I want to give the this search container this one from the top side, margin top approximately 50 pixel. Yeah, now this one. Now I want to make a one model for when we click here display the recent. Come in the, first of all I'm off the night mode. Now here, yeah, off it. In the search container this one, here I make a div class recent search, and inside that I give this one okay, this types of okay, and I first of all design this, just copy this one, come in the style.css, here give the position is absolute, and its height is approximately 400. Let's see where is display, okay, not display, and give the top side is bottom side, from the bottom is 0. Now let's see, yeah, this will be not display, and let's add some text. Where is this will be display? Here will be display. I want to first of all give the this background color for seeing purpose, background color red. Now see here this one will display, but I want to this just remove this top, and in the from this parent container search, see recent search, its parent is a search container. I give to this position relative search container. Here I want to give the position relative because I want to this model with respect to this, for that, and here I give the top 0, bottom side 0. Now let's see, yes, this will be gone if I give the top 0. Now see this will be like this one. Now I want to little bit from this side, for that I know already this search container, its height is approximately 50 pixel. I give the 50 pixel. Now here this one display. Now I want to give this whole width, for that here I give the width is 100%. Now see this will be a little bit this side due to the because I was giving the here inside the padding, where is here I was giving the padding by default 10 pixel. See when remove this padding always will gone. For that we don't want to this, we can add the padding, just here we can do this, not look good. We can here in the model section recent search I give the margin left side minus 10 pixel. Now let's see, yeah, see this is a proper, but this model will display when I focus here. For that by default I want to give the display none, and when we type something then also this model will display. For that I have already search container, just copy this, here I come and I give the focus within this recent search and paste this. Now here you give the display block. Now see when we here click, then this model will be appear. Now I want to give this model white color, and I want to add the border 1 pixel solid, little bit gray type color. See, and I give the border, I want to give the here, see, when we hover this I don't want to this little bit curve type. For that, here I want to give the, when we hover, yeah, this border is, delete this. When we hover, all side not a border color, this search container. For that, here I was given the search container, where is border radius, see, this 3 pixel. I want to remove this. For that, I want to only top section, and right top section, other side I want to 0. Now see, when we hover, see, this one will display. And now here I want to add the, in the HTML file, here I want to add the h3 recent search. Yeah, when we click, this recent search will be display, but I want to little bit more. When I click the recent search, I want to give the padding in the search container. Recent search container, I have a h4 tag, and I give the font size is approximately 20 pixel, not much more. Yeah, now it's look good. And I want to give the padding to hold the content in the recent tag. I give the approximately 10 pixel. Here in this recent tag, and I give the okay, I was mistake the spelling. Yeah, now see here, but I want to this search is a top section. For that, here I giving the margin by the call 0. Now see, recent is coming the, when we type something and pressing the enter, now this type I want to this recent search it appear here. For the demo purpose, I make here one div class giving the recent list. Inside that, I add one div class. Here I give the div recent item. Enter. Inside that, first of all I want to add the icon, then after this will be display. For that, I give the icon here in the font library. Here I search recent, anything is available, recent. Not only this types of icon, we use this rotate one. Just copy this here, paste it, and inside that I use the p tag giving the like a mobile. Now see here, when we click, this mobile will display. First of all, I want to copy recent item and come in the style.css. Here I give this display flex. Now see, and alignment item center, these are both in the sequence mirror. This icon is not look good. I want to check something other is available. Like a Google, we have some icon. Yeah, this times, okay, like a clock. Yeah, this right click and this clock time is like this. Just copy this and change this icon. Now let's see when we click. Yeah, this icon is little bit good. Now in the search container I have a icon for that recently item and I tag. This is the icon. I want to give the padding right side approximately 10 pixel. Now here see this little bit here, and I give the icon font size is approximately 16 pixel, little bit or little bit. Okay, here click, this is 16, little bit 14, it good. Yeah, now this is 15. Yeah, 15, 16 is better. And here see little bit this types of this margin is coming. Why this is coming? And due to the here by default h4 has a margin. I give the bottom also 0. Yeah, now this is a basic one. When we here click any type anything and press enter, then this will be come here. For that I use the javascript this file, and first of all I want include this javascript file in html file. I give the script src script.js. now I want to come the javascript. First of all I want to access the this recent list and come in the style.c javascript. Here I create a one variable recent list element. I give the document dot query selector. After that paste this class name. Now I want to also make this where is input. This input I make this is a form type. Cut this and here give the form, and inside the form I put the input. Let's see what the output is coming. See here same output, nothing will be changes. Refresh, then yeah, see little bit change. For that I give the in the style set form width 100%. Yeah, now it's okay. Now I want to grab the value from this input. For that here I was created already this input search class name. Just copy this, go on the javascript file. Here I give the input value element, and here I want to get document dot query selector and paste this. Now this one is done. Now I want to also when submit on submit one. For that here in the form tag I give the id submit just copy this submit id, come in the javascript file. Here give the input submit and document dot get element by id, because this is the id I can use this directly. Now these things are done, and I want to store this value, this input value. When we click this enter and just copy this, and here I want to give the add event listener. When we submit and here I pass the arrow function. For refreshing purpose I give the here e and e dot prevent default. I make a one array to storing this variable. For that I give the let search recent search list, recent search, and make a one array. I want to store all the search in this array. Now here I want to push the value in from this input, or I want to all the value which I was searched recently in the top section. For that I use the unshift and push this input value here, input dot value. Now this value or pushes in this HTML. For the checking purpose, just console dot log recent search, and now go on here, right click, inspect, and open the console little bit down, and here click and here write something and enter. Now see here value is go, and again you want to like a mobile, see here mobile will be inserted. Now this much done, and I want to display this value here. For that I was already grabbed this recent search. I want to insert all the value from this recent search. For that I want to first of all make one HTML. Here I make one variable recent HTML list, and this is in the form of a string. I want to store all this in the form of a string. Now I make a for and make I 0, I is less than the length of the array. After that I plus plus, and this is a recent list. Just copy this, come here, plus and equal to, because every time loop is running and adding in the recent HTML list. After that I want to use the template string, and inside that I want to paste this inside the recent list. I have this item, recent item. Just cut this and go on the again here and paste here, and here just format this as like this one, and here also. Now I want to, this is a icon, and here I want to insert the value. For that dollar, and here I give the array name recent list, and here paste it. After that I give the I. Now this much done. This array element is here in assign added in the with the HTML added in the recent HTML list. Now I want to this HTML list add in the this recent list element. Just copy this, grab this, or come again here and here give the inner HTML equal to assign this recent HTML list. Now let's go on here. Here we type the mobile, enter. Now see mobile is coming. If I type a phone, see phone is coming, but here by default has a padding. For that I want to remove this. In recently we have a p tag. In the recent item I have a p tag. Just give the margin 0. Now see, but I want to give the top and bottom side approximately 3 pixel, left to right 0. Now let's see how much this will grab. Yeah, this is not okay. Give 5 pixel. Okay, yeah, now it's okay. This is looking good. And in the list item, where is I want to give the padding. This list, recent list, I want to give the padding. Here, come here and give here in the here padding left side 10 pixel, little bit indentation here. Yeah, you can grab this 20 pixel. Yeah, this not look 10 pixel is good. Now see, when I continuously pressing the enter and enter, this value will added, but I don't want to. When we press enter, then this value will inserted and this input will be 0. For that I in the HTML file here, after the running this, I was giving this input value, all this running, then here I want to give the 0. Now see, I give the mobile enter. Now see here, this value is gone, this types of a, and here display, but here I was continuously adding the value any. See, these are go here outside the this box search model. For that I want to give here in the style.css, where is search container, not a recent, yeah, recent, this ads, I think where is recent search. Just copy this and again come here. I was giving anywhere here, I give the dot and recent search, I give the overflow hidden. Now see, only this much value will display. Or we can do one thing here, we can remove the item. Only I want to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, only display the 8 item. For that in the index script tag here I use the while loop. Inside that I give the this array element dot length is greater than 7, only 7 element is available. Otherwise if more element is available, then I want to remove this element. For that I give the pop value. Now see, I type the mobile, enter, phone. Now see, and other like let's type many things, mouse, keyword, LED, CPU, laptop, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is completed. Now see, if I type the font awesome and pressing enter, now see, only 8 element is available. See, one last one is deleted. See here, first of all display this font. This much is completed. In this video we have completed this. If this video is helpful for you and you gain any type of a knowledge, then like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for the watching.